All right, everyone, so this is what the final look of my Daily Dozen organized pantry looks like. Over here on the counter, I have some whole wheat flour and my homemade whole wheat baking mix. And then up here, I have the Daily Dozen items that are shelf stable, organized in my pantry according to type. So in the top row, I have all whole grains, pastas, rice, oats, quinoa. And then over here in the middle shelf, I have legumes. So I have 4 different types of beans, 2 different types of lentils. Then I have the Daily Dozen turmeric. I also have some tomato powder. And then over here I have some cans of food, vegetables, some coconut milk, more vegetables like olives and bell peppers, and then just some assorted pantry staples that I am going to keep on hand for additional meal preparation. And then over here in this cupboard, at the top I have baking supplies. I have sugar, baking soda, baking powder, things like that. And then over here I have spices. These are also leafy greens. I have basil, oregano, garlic powder, salt. And then down here I have some other pantry staples like popcorn, some homemade tea that I like to make, some chocolate chips for baking, and some cornmeal. All right, well, this was a lot of fun. I'm super excited about my new pantry. I can't wait to make videos sharing with you how I do meal plans based on this new pantry setup. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like it and subscribe to my channel for more Daily Dozen meal prep tips and tricks. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.